No cracking. That's huge. Ripening's started.
Tomorrow, we harvest.
Let's see if the machines can handle sand.
That's clean slation. That's clean separation.
This is pure sand, no organic matter at all.
Let's test it anyway. Science first.
Zero nutrients. We'll have to build everything.
No rock layer. That's good.
If we control water, we control everything.
This is where tomatoes start.
Sun won't be the problem here.
Let's do it.
Water is next, Drill steady.
Come on, Chris, rock out on big grind here.
We're almost there.
That's it! We hit water!
This line feeds the tomatoes. Store every drop. Sand is starting to behave. Roots need structure. Every plant gets water.
Perfect flow.
Hard to believe we're growing tomatoes out here. These trays are our lifeline.
Desert hardy variety. No shortcuts.
One seed, one chance. Keep it light. No flooding.
We're fighting the desert every second.
Moisture's holding.
There it is, life in the sand.
We lose shade, we lose everything.
They're ready for the desert.
This is where the real test starts.
Sandal's holding water better than yesterday.
Spacing's critical out here. Easy. Don't shock the roots. They've got to stand strong. Every drop counts.
It's soaking in evenly.
Desert wind won't take them.
Looks clean. Real clean.
Now it's daily care, no breaks.
They survived the first night.
Timing's perfect today. Oh, thank you, there's love.
They're adapting fast.
Roots are gripping now. Midday is still brutal.
That'll boost growth. Flowers already. That's a good sign. Let nature help a little.
They gained 6 inches. This might actually work.
Something's chewing on them.
Aphids. And a few beetles.
That honeydew will invite worse pests.
We go as organic. We go organic. No
chemical.
chemical.
The solar chemicals.
Okay.
Yeah.
That'll block the flyers.
Crisis avoided.
They're responding well. And if that's in percent, they're chunning.
Less damage, less spread. Bees stay. They're helping.
Light coat. Don't drown them.
There it is, first fruit.
No cracking. That's huge.
Too much water ruins flavor.
Midday shade keeps them clean.
They're sizing up fast.
Ripening's started.
Sweet enough already.
Uniform growth, that's rare. These are ready.
Tomorrow, we harvest.
Let's see if the machines can handle sand.
Keep it centered. No mistakes. We're moving fast. Quality looks solid.
That's clean slation. That's clean separation.
Damage is minimal. Field's clear. That crate's full. Lock it down tight. Let's get these to the plant. That's the desert harvest right there. Careful, these came a long way.
Flow looks good.
Sand is gone, clean run. That one's bruised, pull it.
Color grading spot on.
Firm, juicy, no defects.
Batch approved.
Hold at 38 degrees.
Ready for shipping.
Desert grown, headed nationwide.
Nothing moves on my watch.
Safe drive.
Loads holding temp.
Send these to retail. Ooh. Stores are gonna love these.
Fresh shipment?
Fresh shipment?
No.
These came from the desert? England. Nowhere?
And that's how tomatoes grow, in pure sand.